Use Headstart in Subway Surfer. Today, in this video, I will show you how to use Headstart power-up in Subway Surfer. It's super fun way to boost your run right from the start. Open your Subway Surfer application. From the main screen, tap onto the sub icon. Then go to the boost. Here you will see Headstart and Mega Headstart. Use your coin to buy a Headstart. Don't worry, it's cheap and super useful. You can also win them in mystery boxes or mission. Now start a game. As soon as your run begins, swipe up quickly twice to activate the Headstart. You blast into the sky and skip over the early obstacles. And that's how you use a Headstart. It's perfect when you want to chase high score right from the start.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.